How to fix Facebook not letting you comment. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check if Facebook restricted your account. So if you have commented too fast or posted similar replies or violated rules of Facebook, then Facebook may place a temporary block which usually lasts 24 to 72 hours. So make sure you are not restricted by Facebook firstly. Next, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook and make sure the Facebook app is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly. You can also then go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches in your iPhone. You can then also go ahead and force quit the Facebook application, as force quitting the app helps in clearing minor glitches. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open Facebook and tap on the menu option, and then scroll down and tap on the log out option there. Log yourself out and then sign back in. Now, go ahead and check your internet connection. So make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to Facebook and offload your app. Once offloaded, go ahead and reinstall the app, as this will reset the app without deleting the data of Facebook. And also make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as VPNs sometimes trigger Facebook security filters. So go ahead and disable VPN if you have connected your iPhone to a VPN. You can also try to go ahead and comment in some other post, as the person whose post you are trying to comment in might have blocked you. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then you can try to reinstall the Facebook app, as reinstalling the app fixes corrupted files that prevent commenting. Also, go ahead and check for Facebook server status, as sometimes Facebook server status can break features, especially commenting. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Facebook not letting you comment. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.